So why would you want a power of attorney when it comes to real estate? Mortgage nerd here. Powers of attorney are very important. I say you should have a power of attorney no matter what. At my age, in my early 40s, I have powers of attorney. Wait a minute. I had powers of attorney on me in my early 20s. Why? Because I was being deployed to war and I could have gotten killed or maimed or mentally incapacitated, physically incapacitated. I needed someone to sign for me in the event that anything happened. You want the living will. You want just, if you're plugged into a machine that they could unplug you. You want a will. Trust is awesome too. But power of attorney is what we're talking about today, because if you're going to sign a mortgage application and a closing for a parent, let's say, only certain mortgage products allow you to use a durable power of attorney. And then there are mortgage products like the reverse mortgage that you can use it, but there are conditions to it. You have to prove that the parent or the person that you're signing for is mentally or physically incapacitated. If they're not, you can't do it. It's not a power of attorney of convenience, like the example of a VA mortgage I once did, where the veteran or the active duty military person was in South America and his wife signed for him here in Florida for a closing. That is a power of attorney of convenience. You can't do those with reverse mortgages, but you can with other mortgages. So it's good to know these different things. And again, my advice to everybody, especially if you have elderly parents or siblings or someone that is currently in a proper state of mind or of sound mind, get the power of attorney, because they might not always be of sound mind. And you want to have those protections in place. You want to have the ability to sign a property, to sell it with a realtor or whatever. And you don't have that if they're mentally incapacitated, because then you have to get a guardianship, and that's tens of thousands of dollars and headaches and months of back and forth to get a guardianship. So get a power of attorney in advance. If I'm a real estate professional who's been doing this for almost 20 years, trust me on that. Mortgage nerd out.